Hello, this is the tutorial for the Boogie Woogie. Now, this piece uses a 12-bar blues structure. I'm going to play through just the left hand whilst announcing which bar we're on. So now, first bar, we're on C, C, third bar is C, fourth bar is C, then we go to F, F, C, C, G, F, C. Okay, so what I've done to make this very simple is I've just done one repeat of the 12 bars that we do this quite simple pattern where we go because this is a nice pattern. I found my students were finding it easy to go left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right. In the second half, we've got a slightly different rhythm. It goes like that. So let's get started. First of all, we're going to start with the left hand. I think it's the best. So we do a C chord, which normally we want to do finger 1, 3, and 5. 1, 3, 5. However, we're going to do a slight variation on that. We're going to go 5, 3, 1, 5, 3, 2, and then the 1. And then finger 2 goes over for B flat. So practice this. You need to get this nice and strong first of all. You kind of make the notes a bit attached together. We don't want to be... We've got a nice strong bass. So copy this pattern. 5, 3, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 5. Practice until you've got this strong. A good technique might be to speed up a little bit. Teach yourself to play in this fast speed and then go back to slow speed as well. Then we go over to F. So once you finish one of these, you need to lift your hand and put finger 5 on F. That's a bit of a challenge because you're going from 5 on E, 3 on E to 5 on F. Then we have very much the same shape. 5, 3, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 5, 3, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, and then back to C. And finally we go to G, where we go 5, 3, 2, 1. We're only there for one bar, so we only go up without doing the downward pattern. F, back to C. So practice that first of all. Get your left hand nice and confident. Next, the chords are very straightforward because it's just the major chords of C, F, and G. We use finger 1, 3, and 5. That's normally the fingers that we want to use for this normal chord shape. 1, 3, 5. We go to F. It's the same chord shape. G is the same chord shape. So now practice doing left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right. This is a bit of a difficult pattern, so do try to start off going a little bit slow before you speed up. You want to work this pattern into your muscle memory, so you're not really thinking about it, it's happening automatically. Then when you go over to F, both hands need to jump at the same time. So premeditate that just a second, 2 seconds before we have to jump to F. Be thinking about where we're going to. Where's the next note? I'm going to go to F in a second. Where is F? Where am I going to move to? F. go to G, both hands go to F, and then finish on C. Let's do that again. Both to G, both to F, both to C. Okay, so hopefully that's guided you through the first 12 bars. So now we've learned the 12-bar blues pattern. It should become a bit more automatic. I'll just give you one little more tip, which I don't have written down, but we can also, once we get to the G, because that's what we call like the climax of the music, the most exciting part, you can hear how the music is most exciting there. What we can also do is do like a big finale, like a... So let's just try that. So I'll play the second line and then the third line. You can do something like that, right? This is just an idea. This 12-bar blues pattern is just an idea, and you're welcome to experiment, add your own flavor to it. Let's go on to the second half. This is following the exact same structure, the same chords, the same, you know, the colorful red, green, and blue letters that we have in the first half, but this is just using a different rhythmic pattern. So let's learn this rhythmic pattern. What we do, let's zoom in just so you can see this very clearly. We going in for, should we write this out? Let's write this out for you guys. So the first chord goes in between the first and the second note. The second chord is on the third beat with the left hand. The third chord is on the first beat with the left hand. And then the fourth chord is in between the second and the third beat of the second bar. So let's see what this sounds like. It sounds like this. And let's see that again. So once more. So it goes left, right, left, together, left, together, left, right, left, 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 right, left, together, left, together, left, right, left, left. Okay, and once again we follow the exact same chord shape pattern. So let's just play through it once more. I'm going to narrate once again. So C, 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 F, F, C, C, G, F, C. Yeah, and then I finished the music just like with two chords, just because I thought, let's end the music. One maybe thing to note is that the rhythm, you can see it follows the same pattern on every 2-bar phrase. It repeats the same 2-bar phrase rhythmic pattern. Okay. However, over here on the third line, we only have this rhythm half and then half. So okay, so hopefully you can piece that all together. And that's the 12-bar blues Boogie Woogie. You can download this sheet music on the link below. I hope you found this video useful. Enjoy the Boogie Woogie. It's a very fun piece, nice and easy to play. Have a lovely day.